jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make you jump, 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 back it up, top. You know I love to make it.
I love your swagger.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that.
Hey fam, welcome back to Catching Up with the one and only Renee. So if this is your first time on this channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Chandrinah, and make sure to subscribe and join the fam. And if you're already part of this big beautiful family, you already know what it is. Hey, make sure to like, share, and turn on your post notification bell to be alerted every time I post a banging video. Guys, I missed you so much. Anyways, today's video is just like, I don't even know, today's vlog is just something simple. I'm just going to be taking you along with me, guys, on this weekend. We're going to be touring some new places in Moscow, at the center, maybe the Red Square, or wherever we will be led to. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro long. I just wanna say hi to you guys. Hope you all are doing well. I miss you so much, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So yeah, right now my taxi is waiting for me. I'm about to go downstairs. I've already dressed up. I think I already inserted a video of my outfit, my OOTD. If I didn't, you see it soon, but okay, let me just show you. My table is a mess right now. Let me just show, and plus I'm waiting for my taxi, so I think I'll have to like go down soon. Guys, it's so hot, so my fan is on in case you hear it. Yo, the struggle, guys. It's so freaking hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. So yeah, that's the outfit. I'm carrying my big bag. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's the outfit plus the bag. I'm carrying this bag because I have my jersey in here in case it gets chilly. And yeah, I have these little sandals. They were actually a gift from my baby girl Winfrey for my birthday this year. I love them. They're so cute. And yeah, just some jean pants, my little top, my hair, my shades, matching the vibe of the color. And yeah, that's your girl with a little bump. With a little bump. Yeah, but guys, it's so hot. Like, I'm literally sweating. Guys. Like, I can't. So let's go outside. It's a bit cooler there. Yeah, plus I closed my window. Hey guys, so I'm outside. I don't even know what the best angle is. My face looks big. Anyways, I'm outside now. We're waiting for the taxi, and yeah, it's 1 minute away, so I'll enter. And guys, this life is hectic. I'm like 1 hour. I'll take like 1 hour in the taxi. First I'm gonna pick up someone, then after I pick them up, then I'm going to go to the Red Square. So the whole journey is like 1 hour. So 30 minutes to the pickup, then 30 minutes to the Red Square. Yeah, and as you can see, it's already getting dark, guys. The sun is already going in. So yeah, I didn't want it to be very hot. I just want to like, you know, Goliath a bit, and I want to check out the nightlife in Russia, you know. So yeah, we're gonna see how that is. Hopefully we find some great. Let's go in the taxi already.
I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah, Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not stranger. You want to know what you comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no, 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 no. I know, I can't let you go. I know, This is I got things that's a pretty wrong this time of year.
So pretty. And there's also this mall right here. Guys, it's called Boom. Yeah. I don't know if I can touch. Can I touch the top? Oh my God, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, jet ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without it. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She don't want the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook, press put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with each check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47's in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we hit a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a
Guys, people are literally standing in the queue for ice cream for like hours. Okay, not hours, I'm just exaggerating, but they're standing for a long time. Like, there's the queue behind us and people are like waiting for ice cream. I wonder how good it is.
never be a bother if you want me to follow and say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I'll pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to still. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling.
morning.
Hey guys, it's the next day and your girl is home. It's a Sunday, so I'm literally in my lazy girl mode. I've been sleeping the whole day and I just woke up to just freshen up. I'm wearing my Zambian t-shirts and my little shorts, and I've just been relaxing the whole time. Yeah, so I just ordered something to eat, as you've seen, because I literally am so tired, guys. I walked a lot yesterday, and let me tell you something, it was such a beautiful experience. Like, there's so many beautiful places to walk in Moscow, and I'm gonna show you guys more places. We found this other place, but we went there too late, so the place was already closing down. So next vlog you'll be expecting that. If you like the street lifestyle, street food, all that thing, yeah, we're gonna be going there next time. So yeah, right now I'm about to eat. As you've seen, I ordered some McDonald's. Yeah, so what am I saying, I'm about to eat, and today I'll just be watching a movie, editing, and guys, it's raining outside. I just feel like it's the perfect time for me just to rest and enjoy myself. So I'll come back on another day. I think for tonight I don't have anything much to show you guys. So yeah, I know I look like your grandmother, just in a cuter version, but yeah, I mean, I've been home the whole day. How do you expect me to look, guys? So anyways, yeah guys, let me find the movie and let me eat my McDonald's. No cooking today because we're team lazy. All right, bye bye.